How to buy KHAMOO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, for this, make sure to take a look on the X account. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to DexScreener. It's available on there. If you don't have any account on DexScreener, just go and create one. Now, you may see this lock screen. This means that all of the liquidity is locked. That means your investment is in safe place. Now, this token is came under the Ethereum network. Now, just copy the token address and we will use the Bitget wallet to buy this token. Now, go to your wallet as you can see. Now, here, switch to Ethereum network. Now, click on this plus icon and paste the token address as you can see. Now, after that, as you can see, this token is not listed yet, but just go and add it to your wallet. Now go back and make sure to find it. So as you can see, this is it. Now after you select it, just click on swap. Now switch it from here to be able to buy it. Now from here, just select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, enter here how much you want to buy. Just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the KHAMOO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.